Igor Bogdanov posted a new image just a few hours ago, and this latest leak gives us one of the clearest looks yet at what appears to be the upcoming DJI Pocket 4. The new image reveals a noticeably refined dual camera setup, instantly standing out compared to the earlier prototype-style leak. In that previous image, the device featured a bulky gimbal head with soft, unfinished edges, clearly something closer to an early engineering sample. This new design, however, looks far more polished, with clean lines and production-ready shaping that strongly suggests it's a near-final testing unit. DJI has a long history of sending out almost complete devices for real-world testing, especially when tuning critical features like autofocus, color processing, low-light performance, and stabilization in dynamic environments. The sleekness of this new unit supports the current reports that the DJI Pocket 4 has already entered mass production, a strong indication that the official launch is getting close. While no new specifications were revealed today, the rumored upgrades continue to generate excitement. These include a larger main sensor, possibly a full 1-inch sensor, supported by a secondary telephoto lens that would dramatically extend creative possibilities. Additional rumored improvements include hidden buttons beneath the display for cleaner ergonomics, a rear screen for easier framing, Hasselblad color tuning for richer tones, and an overall boost in durability to withstand harsher shooting conditions. All of these point to a device designed not just for portability, but for serious creators who need higher quality hybrid shooting in a compact form. At the same time, the upcoming DJI Avata 360 is becoming one of the most talked about drone leaks this season. Recent promo-style images circulating online appear intentional rather than accidental, hinting that DJI may be building controlled hype ahead of launch. The timing of these leaks closely aligns with Insta360's big anti-gravity teaser event in July, which suggests DJI is preparing to compete aggressively in the 360 drone and hybrid FPV market. The Avata 360 is rumored to be capable of shooting full-sphere 8K 360-degree video, a massive leap for FPV-style drones. Even more interesting is the suggestion that it may incorporate technology from DJI's latest 360 action camera, allowing creators to switch between two modes, immersive 360-degree capture and a traditional FPV forward-facing view using a single lens. This transformation is said to be powered by a simple one-axis mechanical tilt system, allowing pilots to swap modes without changing cameras or drones. Leaked images also show an impressive array of sensors, including 4 front-facing modules that appear to combine visual sensing with LiDAR-like depth systems, plus additional sensors on the sides. This level of directional awareness could dramatically change safety and precision in FPV-style flight, offering near-full protection in environments where collisions are common. Despite this advanced hardware, the drone is rumored to weigh under 250 grams, potentially placing it in the C0 classification, an appealing advantage for pilots looking for fewer restrictions. Controller support is another major highlight. The Avata 360 is expected to work with both traditional joystick-style controllers for precision cinematic flying and the DJI RC Motion 3 paired with the goggles N3 for an immersive FPV experience. This flexibility would give DJI a significant edge over Insta360's and anti-gravity A1's more limited controller ecosystems. With new leaks emerging almost daily, more information is expected soon. Stay subscribed for the latest updates as both the DJI Pocket 4 and Avata 360 move closer to launch.